This is for year 11 methods. We're going to look at exercise 3K, question 14. So we want to match the curves with the equations, okay? So, all right, I want to figure out the easiest ones to match first, okay? So we know this is in factor form. This is in factor form. So because it's in factor form, I can say that what the x-intercepts are. I know when I use the null factor law, x will equal -4 here. And if I make that equal 0, 8 minus x equals 0, then x equals 8. So we've got two factors. Now, because there's a negative in front of the x, you're going to get a frown, okay? So out of the ones that are frowning, I can see that this definitely doesn't have -4 and 8 as x-intercepts. So most likely, this A would match with C, okay? And then we're going to choose, okay? So this is in turning point form, TP form. I can rewrite like this, 2x minus 1 squared minus 10, okay? What they've done is they've just put the 10 at the front, okay? To try to confuse you. So the TP would equal 1 -10. So TP is 1 -10. So, and it's a smiley face. So 1 -10, let's see. So it'll be down here. That's the one we want. So that will match with D. All right, we've got two options. We obviously want to match the easier one, okay? So for D, this is in polynomial form, or you can think of it as in turning point form as well, okay? So both are fine. 9, if I expand that, I get 9 and 2 minus a half x, not a half, a 9th x squared. I can rewrite that as negative a 9th x squared plus 9 over 2. So the graph has been, the graph has been flipped upside down. It's a frown, and I know the frown has been, it's gotten fatter because of the 1/9, and we've got it moving up 9 on 2. So we're expecting 9 on 2 is -4.5. So the graph has been reflected. So the original graph looks like this. It's got a bit fatter, and it's been reflected. So it's gone like that, and it's moved 9 or 4 and 5 up. So it has to look like this. So this will be 4.5. So as we can see, this is a rough graph we're looking at. So that will match with A. And by definition, the remaining one that we didn't use would match with B. Okay, so that's how you approach questions like these. You always try to do the easiest ones first, the ones you can identify, and then work your way to the other ones. So hopefully it helps.